Hi everybody. So, I like playing with the stuff, We're just kind of tinkering around and checking it out, I've really gotten into the habit of checking out the parts that I'm going to be doing videos on. The one thing that I had done recently when it came to cleaning the commutator on a motor like this, I took the motor apart and then I put some sandpaper on my hand. I put the commutator in the drill bit and then I sanded the commutator with sandpaper, but the handheld drill was spinning the commutator. And I did get a comment from a viewer. Thank you, viewers. And actually the guy turned into a subscriber too, so thank you, subscribers. And he wondered if that was maybe more aggressive than it needed to be for the commutator. And I thought, wouldn't it be nice if you could just be able to do a little bit of a touch-up or clean in the commutator without having to take the whole motor apart every single time. Because, the motors have a couple of parts that have to be put in fine positions. And it can be a little bit, it can take time sometimes. Which is no big deal if you have lots of time. Anyway, this is what happened, my friends. So let me get my pointer because I'm going to keep my fingers and my hands out of the way. I know, I can't believe it either. What I did was, you know what this is down here? This is 1500 grit sandpaper, and the sandpaper is in position underneath the brush, and I'm going to rotate the worm gear and drive it very slowly because I really haven't rotated it very much. And so that's my little experiment. And I have already tried playing with it a little, but investigating, checking it out. And I can actually move that piece of paper, sandpaper, and I don't want to do it right now. It'll move when I start to try and sand it. I actually have to hang on to the sandpaper with those. So, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate it so that I'm rotating it forward. So that the reason I'm holding the sandpaper is because the commutator wants to push it forward underneath the brush, and away from the brush, and I want it to stay right there. But anyway, here we go. Check this out. It's kind of, see, I'm still getting my hands in the way now. Okay, you guys can see. So now I'm going to rotate the worm gear, and I'm going to count to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And we'll see where we're at. So that's what's happened. Now, I can tell that is an improvement from before. There is some dusty residue on that commutator. It's think of yourselves when you've cleaned the commutator and then you wipe it off and it looks a little brighter. So I'm going to play with that some more. But I wanted to share this tip with you. Yeah, check it out if you're able to, if you're inclined. It's kind of a cool technique, I think. Are you guys having fun? Are you staying safe? The next video, I'll be taking out the light from the 500J. Taking off the light cover and the light out. And we'll see how much grunge is in there. So, once again, thanks for watching. I'm leaving this time for sure. Please subscribe. Adios, amigos.